There are some other symptoms. For example, there is the empathy and flat effect. They feel absence of the player in their life, and whenever they feel absence of the player in their life, they cannot corporate in their life, and they cannot perceive and comprehend the situation. So there are some other symptoms as well. For example, they think that people are plotting the ideas against them, and their behavior is being controlled by the other supernatural forces, and their behavior is controlled by the other forces as well. So there are a number of the types of schizophrenia. For example, simple schizophrenia, disorganized schizophrenia, schizophrenic schizophrenia. Then there is the paranoid schizophrenia. Then there is catatonic schizophrenia. Whenever we speak about the simple schizophrenia is not a very serious type of the schizophrenia. Some symptoms would be taken from one schizophrenia, another symptom would be taken from another schizophrenia, and third symptom would be taken from the another, and fourth would be taken from another type of the schizophrenia. So in the simple, it's not very serious, and people can be easily treated if it is being caught in the early age and the early stage. Then the second is the disorganized, in which their speech is disorganized, their behavior is disorganized, their personality is disorganized, and there is no organization in anything, whatever they are doing and whatever activity they are performing. It's just like there would be the rapid shift of the mood, and whenever there is the rapid shift of the mood, the one thought would be taken from one state of mind, and the next moment same thought would be taken from another state of mind. That's why whatever they speak, there is no coherence, and there would be incoherent speech, and while they are talking, they cannot convey their message, and the people around them, they cannot understand what they want to say, what they want to convey. These are the simple things. Then the next type of the schizophrenia, that is the catatonic type, in which it is related to the motor activity and the motor behavior. And whenever we speak about the motor activity, they would be having the baxi flexibility, and their body and the bones would be softened enough. It would be so soft that they can mold in any form, they can mold in any way, and they can mold in um, any up to any way. Like if a normal person cannot keep their arm and take it out from the other side, but such schizophrenic, their bones are flexible enough that they can move it, and they are just like a wax. In the way we can move the wax and mold the wax in any way, their bones could be mm, kept in any form, and it could be kept in any way. Then the next is delusions of the persecution and the paranoid delusions and the paranoid schizophrenia. And the paranoid schizophrenia, they would be mm, thinking that other people are making the conspiracies, uh, they are plotting the ideas against them, and whenever two people are standing there and they are talking, they may think that they are making the conspiracies against us, and they are plotting the idea, they want to assassinate me. That's why they are standing there and they are talking against me. These are the things which can be which can came in the mind of the schizophrenic, who are suffering from the paranoid schizophrenia. I would like to suggest here, rather everyone knows it, that schizophrenic patients cannot be kept in the home environment, because they could be very much dangerous for themselves, and they could be dangerous for the other people, and they could be dangerous for the society as well, as there is the lack of the sense, and there is the lack of mm, proper understanding of anything. They may attack on the other people as well. That's why they must be kept in the hospital, and they must be hospitalized for the proper treatment, and for the proper mm, for proper treatment, so they will be cured. The next form of the schizophrenia is the schizophrenia. Hebephrenic schizophrenia is that type of the schizophrenia which is known as the people consider that their brain is often soft and we can put our finger and it can go inside. This is the hebephrenic schizophrenia. There are number of the number of the types of the schizophrenia, and it also vary the symptoms from one person to another person, because people may suffer from one type, the other may suffer from another type, the third patient can suffer from another type, and fourth patient can suffer from another type. There is another symptom which is very much common, that is also known as the which is also known as the grand delusions of the grandiosity. It is one of the major symptoms in it, in which they think themselves that they are great and they are grand, like Winston Churchill. They are greater than President Trump. They are and they are they would be taking the names of the various head of states and the various leaders, like they are having very good terms with Imran Khan. They are having very good terms with King Abdullah, are they do have very good terms and the relationships with the uh, king in England. These are basically grandiosity, which is in their mind, like they think themselves great. And sometime while I was conducting the therapies with the patients, they also showed me some fake telephone numbers, and they said, yes, this is the contact number of um, very famous world leader, and I made them contact, but actually it was not happening. That was due to the um, hallucinations, and that was due to the problems in their mind, and they were thinking and consider they were basically suffering from the delusions of the grandiosity. That's why they are taking it like this. So while we talk about the schizophrenia, it is very much important why it occur and why it emerge. There are several reasons of occurring the schizophrenia. One is the environmental factors, that if a normal person is being kept in the schizophrenic environment or with the patients of the schizophrenic, they may develop schizophrenic symptoms. If second is the genetic factor. If one parent is suffering from schizophrenia, the offspring would have 50% chances to suffer from the schizophrenia. If both of the parents are suffering from the schizophrenia, then there would be 75% chances of the of the offspring that they may develop the schizophrenia. And there is also a twin study which was conducted, monozygotic and the dizygotic. So they are also one of the major reason of developing the schizophrenia. Then there is the neural chemical within the brain. If brain is having the chemical within the brain which is imbalanced, and the dopamine is very important brain chemical which can cause towards the schizophrenia. And whenever we speak about the whenever we speak about the age of the onset of the schizophrenic, so whenever the cognitive abilities are at its peak, then schizophrenia can develop more. For example, the age of the onset or the age of the beginning of the schizophrenia is 15 years of the age, and it can go up to the 45 years of the age. So these are the things which are known as the, like what are the causes of the schizophrenia, what are the types of the schizophrenia, what are the symptoms of the schizophrenia. Because every psychological disorder is different from one another, but schizophrenia is so much different from the other psychological disorders. It becomes very much easy for any person, it becomes very much easy for any psychologist or a psychiatrist to make the clear difference between the psychotic patients and the psychoneurotic patients, because schizophrenic are known as the psychotic patients, and that is the serious form of the mental disorders. Whenever we speak about the treatment of the schizophrenia, the treatment of the schizophrenia is based on the medication, because psychological therapies and the psychological interventions can only work when mm, whenever the medication is working, and the patient will have to take the medication for a fairly longer period of time, and then when he feels okay, then they need to go for the psychological interventions. Then there is another form, pharmacotherapy is also medication, and sometimes electric shocks are being given to the people, and some medicines would be given to bring the brain chemical at the normal level. All the psychologists and the psychiatrists are trying hard to overcome the schizophrenic patients, because this is not the uh, disorder of the specific area, rather it is prevalent throughout the world. It is in the every country of the world, but the number or the ratio of the patient is not very high, because whenever someone is suffering from some serious sort of mental or the physical disorders, mm, the number would not be very much high, but it's a very serious mental disorder which need to be treated, and which need to the treatment must be invented for it. And whenever the patient is treated for fairly long period of time, because the method of treatment is also very expensive, then there need to be the rehabilitation centers, and those rehabilitation centers, with the help of the family members, they will help the patients that after the cure from the specific illness, that this would not be reoccurred again, because if it reoccur again, it would be very much difficult, and they will have to go another series and another session of the psychological treatment, which could be very expensive as well, and all the caregivers and the caretakers will have to face various type of the problems for them. I would like to give several examples for this. The psychological patient, as schizophrenic patients, mind would be just like, if we take a piece of paper and we are just having various lines on it, and there is no end and no beginning of those lines. We are just let's take the example of 6 months or a 6 months old or 1 year old child. He has taken the paper and pencil, and he is only scratching on the piece of paper, and there is no sense in it. The mind of the schizophrenic would be just like this. This is puzzling form of the psychotic disorder, which split up their personality, which split up their behavior, which disorganized their speech, which disorganized their personality, which disorganized everything. And sometimes they would be keeping their hands up and down, and they would remain in the same posture for long hours. This is also one of the major symptoms. And whenever we offer our hand to them for shaking the hand, they would be not accepting it, and they would be refusing to shake hand. So whenever they are being requested, they will never um, accept it, and they will never listen to the people. So until the next video, Allah Hafiz.